Hello all, this is Kumar Chandan. Welcome to Stock Fixers. We will analyze Bank Nifty and Nifty on the basis of Y and change in Y. And also we will check out the trend cycle, max span and PCR for Bank Nifty and Nifty both. First we will start with Bank Nifty and check out the closing price of it. The closing price of Bank Nifty is here at 21,370.15 on 30th June. Now we are talking about 2nd July expiry. Now we will find out the trading range for the Bank Nifty. Trading range is the highest range between highest call and highest put. Highest call will act as the highest resistance, whereas the highest support will be the highest put strike. So first we will find out where is the highest call. For that purpose we will go through this column and see. Here we can see around 7,57,000 contracts are added at 22,000 strike, followed by we can see here 6,61,000 contracts, here 6,37,000 contracts. So this is going to be the highest resistance for Bank Nifty at 22,000 strike, followed by here at 22,500 strike. This is the second highest, and also this is going to be the immediate resistance for Bank Nifty at 21,500, as it has 5,63,000 contracts open in Y and also 1.3 lakh contracts in the change in Y. So this is going to be an important level for Bank Nifty. Now we'll check out the highest put. For that purpose we'll go through this column and find here 6,21,000 contracts are here at 25,000 strike, followed by 4,56,000 contracts are at 20,000 strike. So this is going to be the highest support, and this is going to be second highest support. However, you can see here the immediate support is 21,000 strike. Around 4,55,000 contracts are added added at Y in 21,000, and also 57,000 contracts are added in change in Y. So this is going to be the important level. However, another thing that we can see here, around 2,37,000 contracts are still at 21,500 strike. So this is going to be the important level for Bank Nifty, and the range seems to be range of the Bank Nifty seems to be 20,000 to 22,000, keeping the pivot level at 21,500. This is the pivot level for the Bank Nifty, as it has around 5,63,000 contracts in call and 2,37,000 contracts in put. And also if we see the check net change here, this all are red indicates the call writing was there, this also indicates the put writing was there, and overall market data is showing the market was range bound, and it may continue range bound because here we can see the call writing are full packed, and here we can see the put writing are also full packed. So overall range Bank Nifty seems range bound with little negative sentiment. So, and also the Y has been scattered here and there, so volatile swing can be seen in both direction. So we will also check out the trend cycle of Bank Nifty. Before that we will move towards Nifty and first check out the closing price of it. The closing price of Nifty is here 10,302.10 on 30th June, and we are talking about 2nd July. Now trading range for Nifty, we will find the highest call for highest resistance. For that purpose we will go through this column. Here we can see 32 lakh contracts are added at 10,400 strike, followed by here 32.75 here at 10,005. So these are going to be the important resistance. Almost both strike has almost equal resistance. This is the highest at 10,400 and this is the second highest, and also the resistance, highest resistance has shifted to a little down. This indicates some weakness in Nifty, but still we can see here the pull resistance over here, also here around immediate resistance 25th lakh contracts are at 10,300. Now we will go through this column. Here we can see here at 28 lakh contracts at 10,000. Here we can see around at 10,300 strike 19,75,000 contracts are over here. So this is going to be the second highest support. This is going to be the first support. However, if you see these are all strike, all are packed. So this indicates the range bound for Nifty. Also, another thing that you can see here, around 8 lakh contracts are unwind at 10,100 strike. And if you see above, just above this strike, here we can see 2 lakh contracts are added. Here also 2 lakh contracts are added, and you can see here some contracts are added over here also. So we can see we can say this unwinding has shifted up. That means this this call put writers are thinking market will go up. That's why they have shifted their position up. So from here they have shifted position up. This is an indication that they are thinking market will not fall below that level. So overall, one thing that is clear from here, we can see the put writing over here, we can see call writing over here. So from this data we can say the range bound Nifty may continue as the resistance and support are very near to each other. First, now the pivot level for the Nifty is here 10,300 strike. Here you can see around 25 lakh contracts and here 19 lakh contracts. So this is going to be the pivot level, and range is still there 10,000 to 10,500. This is going to be the range for the Nifty, and this data indicates the range bound. Below 10,003 Nifty will try to go towards 10,200 and then 10,150, and above this Nifty will again try to test 10,400. So this is the make and break level for the Nifty, and now we will check out the trend cycle for Nifty and Bank Nifty. We will also check out the max span and PCR. Here is the max span. Bank Nifty at 21,400 and 21,500 was the previous, and Nifty 10,300. So max span is almost at constant. So this is also indicates the range bound movement can be seen on both Bank Nifty and Nifty. Here is the PCR, and if you see the Bank Nifty trend cycle, these all are showing the weakness in Bank Nifty, and from last 3 days we can also see some weakness in Nifty as well. So on Y data, Bank Nifty seems range bound, and on trend cycle Bank Nifty and Nifty looks weaker. Bank Nifty is more weaker than Nifty. So we can see Bank Nifty is weaker, and Nifty is little stronger than Bank Nifty. This is all about Bank Nifty and Nifty. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.